Ohio. I had House Tite come out to spray foam my seal plates here in the basement. They were on time, everything professional, sealed everything up with plastic ahead of time. They're neatening things up here at the end with the edge work, and it's been really good. Abe, the owner, called me a day or two before just to make sure I had everything ready that I needed to and confirm our appointment for the date we had set. It's been an overall really good experience.